to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am going to start off with the first package that I need to unbox, and this is going to be video 1. I entered the Scrap the World Swapper's Delight, and this was round 2 because she did this last year, and I was in group number 1, and it was a shabby chic group. Now in our group, I was number 1, so every package that you see in the next couple of videos are going to be from 2, 3, and number 4 who was in the group. So starting off, this is the first, and this is number 2. This one is from Sonya, Winston, and this was the packaging. I absolutely love it. Very neat, very pretty. Okay, and everyone had to make a tag, and we had to put our number on it, and she did go ahead and write my name on it. And again, this was the Scrap the World Swapper's Delight Happy Mail Swap. Round 2, we were in shabby group 1. This is her YouTube, Sonya Winston, and I'm almost positive I'm subscribed to her already, but I don't recall being on her Instagram, so I have some homework to do after this video. I need to go follow her on Instagram, and her Instagram handle is Rubber Stamp Lover. So I am going to go ahead and neatly open this up and give you a thank you in advance, Sonya. Now Tamika did go ahead and post the video. I kind of skimmed through because I didn't want to completely ruin the surprise, but I also wanted to like support Tamika posting the video because I watched it because mine was in that group. So ours was like the first video that she posted. I'm trying not to like rip this bag apart. So like I said, I skimmed through, but I didn't want to like totally ruin the surprise. So I will be getting surprised just like you are. This is beautiful. Thank you. Can reuse this tissue paper. Thank you so much. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love this tag. Wow. Okay, look at this, you guys. And you may not be able to tell, but this is whitewashed. It looks like she handmade these flowers. Oh my goodness. You know, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." That is so sweet. I love this. Gosh, this is like stunning. Look at the bird. Love the lace. And look at the top. This is beautiful. And there's some corrugated cardboard and paint on the back. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. After the video, I'm gonna just sit here and like really stare at everything. The best part about handmade items is being able to just sit there and just take in everything. I love all of the gold. This is like, wow, this is stunning. I guarantee you that the camera is not really doing this any justice. It's something about seeing things on camera and seeing them in person. Oh, these are beautiful. She did altered paper clips. Now, I don't know about any of you, but when I get stuff like this, it's impossible for me to use it right away. Like, I have to hold on to it for a very long time before I'm actually like ready to use it. These are like stunning. Sonya, you did an amazing job. I love it. And I love how you can do like shabby chic and everyone has like a different take, but it still is similar. I love this. And these colors are going to look perfect in my craft area. These bows are beautiful. Look at the swan. Wow, that is cute. I love these. They're all different and they match so well all at the same time. There's another swan on this one right here. Wow, I love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And she included these beautiful stickers. Thank you so much. Look at that. Farmhouse, keep it simple, market. And I do apologize for my voice, you guys. It probably sounds raspy. I am trying to hold in coughs. Try not to laugh so I don't cough. And I have got to get this voice together, but I was so excited and I didn't want to open these without filming my reactions for those that made it. So Sonya, thank you so very much. This is awesome. I am so very excited to have it, and I am so glad to be able to meet some other ladies in the crafting community who have the same taste that I have. So if I'm not following you at the time of filming, but you will see me follow you. I am DDF Crafts on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to her. Again, hers is Sonya Winston on YouTube, and Rubber Stamp Lover, I think that's what it was, Rubber Stamp Lover on Instagram. Either way, I'll have all of her information below. Thank you so much, Tamika, for hosting this swap. It was my first time joining something like this, and I will definitely do it again. So again, thank you so much, Sonya. It is so great to meet you, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.